English shorthand 80 words per minute dictation number 1. Ready? Start. Today in the country, 4 states are under president's rule. To start with Kashmir, you go to Punjab, move on to Assam, and in between have Goa also. One question which is agitating and should agitate every patriot is, where does such question of suspended animation flow from? If you casually read Article 356, it only speaks of providing a substitute to an elected government, but does not prescribe as a temporary measure suspending the life of the legislature and yet keeping the legislature alive. Perhaps the answer should be that since the president can dissolve the he can as well keep it in suspended animation. I am not to argue for or against suspended animation in a given state. I am assuming that the authority to keep the life under suspended animation does exist by implication in Article 356 para. But what are the norms which are the occasions when the life of the legislature should be kept in suspended animation instead of outright dissolution of the assembly in case we fail to ensure rule in a given state according to the terms of the constitution? The classic example, and perhaps the solitary one in this country, is the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The President of the Republic gave consent in January 1990 to the imposition of the government rule in Jammu and Kashmir and gave consent to keep the life of the state legislature under suspended animation, but His Excellency the Governor chose within a month, exactly on 18th February 1990, to dissolve the Legislative Assembly. The question which arose then and which has since been agitating the mind of everyone in the state as also in the country is when the president gave the consent for keeping the life of the legislature in suspended animation. Where from did the governor get the power to dissolve it within 1 month of having secured that consent on an express request to the Honorable President? The result is what we are watching in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Para, now take the case of Goa today. We have know from the recitals of the governor in the communication to the president the reasons indicated for imposing president's rule, and the reasons are that it is not possible to know the affiliations of the members of the legislature or ensure a group which has prima facie the majority which can run a well government. Full stop.